Hello and welcome everyone in Secure Education Academy, Madangundi Chandwara. And this is Sanskritik Mari from class 6. And today I am feeling very glad to be your host. And today we are here to discuss about importance of English. And as you all know that English is very important in this modern era. Everyone can speak in English and we also need to know English. Guys, let's meet with my friends first. Hello everyone. Let's discuss about the importance of English. Let's go! As we are here that to discuss about importance of English. So would you like to discuss about with me?
Yes.
Who want to speak first?
May I speak?
Yes.
So English is important on all types of places, just like in America, Bangladesh, Canada, etc. We always use English. If we don't know Mexican language, just like, and population of English. There are many population of English, just like in cricket. Everybody after winning, everybody give a speech in English, and in football, kho, kabaddi, etc. There are many games in that we speak in English, and in police center we also speak in English. Just like we have taken any helicopter and we are catching someone, and we tell he has gone to some place, and we will tell in English to them. That's all about me. May I speak?
Yes, you may speak.
I have lots of things to explain you all, but there is issue of time. So for that, please take one incident. There is two person, and one know very well in English, and one is the speaker of Hindi, and they are very needy of a job. So for that, they go any school and ask to their principal. First, English speaker speak. सुप्रभात सर, मेरा नाम आशीष कुमार है। मुझे आपके विद्यालय में पढ़ाना है, और मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई जेजे कॉलेज से की है। एंड सपोज दैट देयर इज इंग्लिश स्पीकर स्पीक, गुड मॉर्निंग सर, माय नेम इज आशीष कुमार, आई एम फ्रॉम झारखंड, and I'm from Jharkhand, and I'm very needy of a job. So for that, I want to teach on your school. So please support me. Then please tell me who will get job at the first time.
English speaker.
Sure, because English have power to pronunciate anyone. English have power to grab the mind of anyone. So for that, English is very important for our life. That's all.
May I speak? Yes, you may speak.
Okay. English is very much important in our life. It is the third most speaking language in the world. I have lots of lines for it, but I can't explain everything due to time issue. But I wanna say one thing. As a traveler, if I'm traveling in different types of countries and states, and I'm meeting with different types of people, they don't know Hindi, they know they are only local language and English. So dealing with them, I will use to speak in English. This is the benefit of speaking English. May I speak?
Yes, of course.
English is also important for business and interviews. Just like many companies use English to talk with people from different countries. If we know English, if we know to speak in English, then we can work in more places and connect with many different people. That's all about me.
May I speak? Yes.
First, I say you English is very important for our life, and English is third most popular language. I explain you why English is important for us. Just like we are going America, and American language we are not understand, because American speak in English language and we are speaking Hindi language. And but we are speaking English language, then we are understood that language, and we are we are we are going America, then what we can do there in English language we are speak. That's all about.
May I speak? Yes, of course. English is a language that connects you to people from different countries. It helps you to connect people from different countries. It also helps you to achieve your goals and your dreams. If you want a good job, if you want in a if you are in a search of job, then you can get a good job by knowing only English and a huge amount in salary. That's all for me. May I speak? Yes, you may speak. I will say where we can use in English. Just like you say, there is one old person, then you say, hey, what's up, guys? What are you doing? There is not better for you. It is time issue. It is not waste your time. First you go in all person, then you say, hey, what's up, everyone? Then he say, no, I don't know this education. Then you say in American language and English. You go America, then you say English, then it is most important. That's all about it. Oh my God, I will forget.